Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to the device. So to get started, all you need to do is open up your dialer app right here, and then navigate into your contacts tab right at the bottom. And from here, tap on three dots, go into settings, where you should find import export. Choose that, and then we want to import contacts from SIM. So there it is. Once you tap on it, it gives you all the SIM contacts that are, well, all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. So you can choose which ones you want or don't want by deselecting the ones that you don't want. And once you have selected all of the ones that you want to import, tap on import and then choose phone, and we're done now. All the contacts have been imported. If we go back, we should see them right here. And you can see that the ones that we imported now are duplicated, so you have the one with the icon of a SIM card and then the one that don't have a icon. So those are basically the same contacts, just now because one is on a SIM card and one is on a device, you can see both of them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.